Hello everyone, welcome to another Messenger tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix a Messenger custom background on video call is not working. Now this is a very common issue. Most of the times the issue is caused by either an not updated software or app or a outdated mobile phone. So let me show you how and why this happens. So as you can see right here, you can use special effects like different backgrounds, filters, and lighting in your call, right? So usually you would add special videos and effects in video call. So from your video call, you would need to select the emoji, which is on your face. And then from the pop-up menu, you need to select effects and then backgrounds or lighting. Now from here, you can click an option, right, what you want to do. And then to exit the pop-up menu, you can click outside of it. Now, if you're having trouble using filters and effects, then hover over your face to make this appear, then click on it to access filters and effects. Now from here, you will be able to basically browse the filters. Now, if that's not working, try using a newer device. Some older devices are unable to support certain filters and effects and can result in your Messenger app closing unexpectedly. So they're currently working on this issue. As you can see, obviously you need to update to the latest version of the Messenger app, which could be potentially the culprit of the issue usually. And then you can check your internet connection. Now, if after all of this is not working for you, I would recommend to go here and report issue with the Facebook team because they will be able to help you out with that. Now this is on the computer, right? On Android, it's pretty much the same. Again, you can go to the emoji and then on your face and you will be able to use effects as well as other effects. But yeah, sometimes there is an issue, so you will be able to go and just report it right here. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.